Hi, how are you doing?
Would you like a day pass?
No, I think I have reservation. Is this
camping?
where you camp at night?
This is one of them. You gotta cross that creek.
Yeah, I'll
you have
cross
a
the creek.
reservation?
I got this one. We're entering this now, and whoa, it's gonna be down. Whoa, I love it. Passing through the Arroyo Creek right now. It looks alright. Ooh, yeah. As you go in, you'll see a lot of RVs, ATV rentals, and some even brought their own ATVs. Wow, you too. Tesla. Today we will survive Pismo Beach that serves 2 million tourists annually. Whether you are looking for a classic California beach community or finding a pit stop on your California driving here at the Central Coast. So how can we have a great time here in Pismo Beach? In this video, we'll experience the great spots here, the must-do activities, and some delicious seafood. Tiana Dunes is the only place in California where you can drive your vehicle along the beach. You don't need a Tesla truck to camp here. But I thought it would be more interesting for you if we have one. And also the fact that my car got smash and grabbed last weekend. We have a lot of activities today and we have to get back here before sunset. And off we go. Our first stop is a popular restaurant here. So a lot of activities along the way, including karaoke. Did you catch anything?
Not yet.
What do you catch here?
Gotta try perch.
We don't want to be hangry on our trip. So this is the famous Splash Cafe. Let's see if they live up to expectations as the flagship of Pismo Beach. 35-44. Pismo Beach is the clam capital of the world in the 1940s until the clams disappeared. They don't know how or why. They're still figuring it out. They're still celebrating it, especially during October, which is the Clam Festival. It is illegal to get clams here out of the beach. One lady got fined $88,000. We have seated in front of the window so we could see our bike over there. Those are all mine. Yeah, you're all good. I am starving, and as usual, I over-ordered. We got here the famous clam chowder bread bowl. That's a lot of bread. I also ordered this lobster roll. Ooh, it looks hefty. We've got the fries right here. Let's start with the fries. There's too much carbs. We're about to have it. I can't lift it up. Wow. To be honest, my favorite clam chowder is in Fisherman's Village in San Francisco. No one can beat the clam chowder, just for me. But today, we have quite the competition. This is pretty good. This is their lobster roll. I wanted to have more protein. Oh, it's burping. Definitely this is good value. Lots of lobster. It tastes mayonnaise-y. It's kind of the old school type bread. I kind of like it like that. I have this carrot pepper right here. Let's try it out. Very interesting. It does taste like carrot pepper. After eating a bunch, I do like to have coffee. And one of the things that I enjoy coming out of town is supporting the local coffee shops. I saw a coffee shop that has only 18 reviews. They look pretty new. This coffee shop is only a 5-minute walk from Splash Cafe, so we're not getting any steps here. How are you?
Good. Siguro kayo soda kaya.
One cortado, please. We are walking right now with our coffee. Splash Cafe, cortado, coffee, and the Pier is just close distance. And guess where we're going next? You're right, the Pier. I would suggest having the food to go it faster and eating it around here. One of the things that you can do here is have a photo on this Pismo Beach sign.
It's time to be here at Pismo Beach.
At the Pier.
Anytime.
It looks so peaceful today that the surfers are not catching any wave. Here you go. Wow. There's Wi-Fi here? It's a hotspot. There are several food trucks here and a lot of laying on the beach. You need license to pick up clams, but you don't need license to go fishing. Did you catch anything today?
Yeah, we caught some flounders.
You caught a shark? No fish today.
No pescados.
Today's a Wednesday. It's pretty chill out here at the pier. I want to come back here for more. There's something we could expect here on Wednesdays. We did bike from the dunes coming here to the pier, but now I don't think we can bike from here going to our next location. We have to find a bike path for that. I know there is. Just be patient. Got ourselves a bike path along their neighborhood. I would highly suggest wearing a helmet. Not everyone is ready. See how close that person that to me is? This part right here is the hotel row. We're biking here. Kinda dangerous. Not sure why anyone would go to this Dinosaur Cave park. I mean, it's just a playground. Think I can fit in one?
There's one over there.
Hey, look at this. USS Imagination.
Can you go really fast?
Are you supposed to swing it?
I used to bang it on the head drum.
Don't worry, I know this place has more to offer. It's so beautiful. There's a really nice viewpoint right here. You could see sea caves. It's really nice with the birds. I think this is a cool wedding spot. Now that we're married, let's go to the next destination. We gotta hurry now because apparently I forgot to lock my bike and I don't know if it's still gonna be there. I mean, this is not LA and my car got smashed, so I'm pretty much traumatized until now. But this is Pismo Beach. Will we find my bike or I might have to Uber back? Holy cow, our bike's still there. Wow. We're here right now at the Spyglass tide pools. Well, above it. I'm still figuring out a way to get down. There has to be a way, right? Okay, I kind of find a way. It looks like I'm not alone here, and you don't need no shoes to climb down here. Don't go in there. But you can go inside the sea caves. We now have found ourselves in this amazing rock formation. From above, should I go down? Is it worth it? Now that I'm down here, it's pretty amazing. I've never seen something like this. The water is refreshing. What's in there? Whoa, it's like gravity. I must share with you that this morning I'm a little bit anxious coming here because I gotta leave by 6:30 to get to my destination at 10. There was traffic. But now that I've arrived here, time seems to slow down and I kind of appreciate it. Oh my god, thank you. I have 2 bars left, so I need to go get myself to the dunes, right? So this bike shop will charge my bike for free for 20 minutes. Yeah. Whoa, I'm so grateful. Here's some local right here. We're back at the pier and here's what they do every Wednesday. It's called the Summer Farmers Market. What do people do here? What can you find inside? Nothing. Hello. Chester. Ask me for sample. Can I have some sample? What is it?
This is my salted caramel butter bar.
Yummy. Love this color. This is pretty. What are these? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know what these are?
They're little fidget toys.
Oh, they're so cute. Did you make this?
I manufacture everything here. I work with artists from around the world that do the modeling. I pay them for the commercial rights to their stuff.
This is beautiful right here. Are these monarch butterflies? Yeah. I was just telling you that this farmers market is only available on summer, right? It ends October. But fret not, there's something to do during November. You can actually go to monarch butterflies and that's where they go every winter when the east is cold. There's no way to know what the game is here, right?
Yep, it's all a mystery.
We have a warning right there. This booth contains adult language, so kids get out. Let's read some. Not today, I'm shorthand. That's the most wholesome cup I could find and the rest is, you know what. Ladies, we gotta get ourselves here. This farmer's market smells really good because they have soap here, they have candles, they have incense. Not incense. Incense. Another sample right here. And what is it?
Chocolate and butterscotch English toffee.
Ooh. What should I try?
You got me. I was gonna be a good boy, but gotta have it.
That's good. Where'd you get it? They have boba! If you didn't find anything you like at the farmer's market, let's say you want some souvenirs or some toffee, this street that leads to the pier has a lot of shops. Oh, there's a bowling place here. Whoa! Hi! It's a whole arcade thing going on in here. Welcome to Pismo Bowl. Before going back to our Cybertruck, I'm looking for something to eat and snack on. Local grocery over there, we'll check that out. This is interesting. Holy cow, that's an expensive grocery. It's probably more expensive than Air One. It's a $7 Pringles. Because of that, we're eating here at the farmer's market. Tamales?
Yes,
Where?
I had chicken, pork, beef, or jalapeno and cheese.
Corn right here. It looks delicious. Can I get corn?
Everything, right?
Sí, pero poquito. What's that? Cheese. Queso. What's that? Lime. Mayo. Sí. Gracias. I decided to just eat here. We got ourselves some corn. Do you have some techniques on eating your corn? Do you go closely over it and bite here to here? Mine is kind of just systematized. I start from the top until I get to the bottom. And we also got ourselves chicken tamales over here. Oh wow, pretty good. Let's go, doggy. Come on, run, run. Hi, seabirds. They're gonna try to fly kites right there. Look at her. Woo! So fun. We're taking the Cybertruck out for a fun sunset drive. Before the sunset, I guess we have to get ready for bed. You can't really sleep here. It's not connected to the camp mode, but it's summer, so maybe you can. Since I'm solo, I'm sleeping at the back. It's pretty easy. I have an air mattress and that's it. And voila, this is our setup for the night. Thank you, neighbor, for helping me out with the bike in and out of the truck.
Are you shooting right now?
Yeah. Hi, guys.